Brothers are busy in fighting, and he will maintain easily attack and rob their poor mother. Mankind should stay united, standing shoulder to shoulder, so that and he will can never cheat and divide them. Adorable teachers, highly respected panel of jury, and my sweet audience, I welcome you all in such a spacious gathering known as 11 Mega Declamation Contest, in which we are supposed to discuss let's live like brothers or perish like fools, which means united we stand, divided we fall. Prestigious judges, in the beginning of my speech, I quoted Suzy Kaysen, an American writer, poet and philosopher. The quotation does make us understand, if we are united, no one can harm us, no one can cheat us, and no one can attack us. Adorable judges, if we turn the pages of history, we will come to know that those nations who were living like brothers, they were strong rulers and prosperous, and those nations who were divided, who had greed for cheer, they were perished and destroyed. Honorable judges, history tells us when we Muslims were united, we got success in every battle, though we were less in numbers. In the leadership of Sultan Salahuddin Ayyubi, got victory against the King Richard. We were less in numbers. In the leadership of Tariq bin Ziyad, but got victory over the Spain. We were less in numbers, less in power, but united in the battle of 1965 and got victory on the India. The same Muslims, respected judges, the same Muslims, when they were divided, how badly they were beaten in the war of 1971. The same Muslim and Hindus, when they were divided in the war of 1857, how badly they were defeated, though they were allowed in numbers. Dear audience, forget about history, what's going on today. Can't you see that we Muslims are chopped in every corner of the world? Can't you see that we Muslims are being killed in every corner of the world? Can't you see that we Muslims are being teased in every corner of the world? Can you all tell me why we Muslims are in such bad condition? I'm sure your answer will be the same. We are not standing shoulder to shoulder and united. In conclusion of my speech, I would like to say we Muslims should stay united. We should finish the concept of Shia, Sunni, Brahmi, Ahmadis and Deobandi. We should finish the concept of Arab and Ajami as it was told to us. We should finish the concept of Baloch, Pashtun, Sindhi and Punjabi just became one nation, one Muslim. I thank you all for paying attention.